Similarly, for part CB, we take another section x2 x2, again at a distance x from the hinge support A. So writing the bending moment about section x2 x2, considering the left hand side of section, we have mx2 is equal to, first we have a clockwise movement caused due to this upward vertical support reaction VA acting at a distance x from section x2. So we have VA into x. Then we have anti-clockwise moment caused due to this downward vertical force of 150 kN acting at a distance of x minus 0.75 meter. So we have minus 150 into x minus 0.75. So upon substituting the value of VA, we have 93.75x minus 150x plus 112.5. So we have mx2 is equal to minus 56.25x plus 112.5. Now upon substituting the value of mx2 in the strain energy equation, we have strain energy in part CB as integral from 0.75 meter to 2 meter, since your part CB ranges from 0.75 to 2 meters of the beam, into mx2 square dx by 2 EI. Let this be equation 1 and this be equation 2. Now substituting from equation 1 and 2 in this equation, we get the strain energy stored in the complete beam AB. So we have strain energy UAB is equal to your UAC, which is integral from 0 to 0.75 into 93.75 x the whole square dx by 2 EI plus integral from 0.75 to 2 meter into minus 56.25 x plus 112.5 the whole square into dx upon 2 EI. Now taking this constant terms 2 EI outside and expanding this whole square terms, we have UAB is equal to 1 by 2 EI into integral from 0 to 0.75. Now square of this term is 8789 into x square multiplied by dx plus integral from 0.75 to 2 meter. Upon expanding this term, we have 3164 x square minus 12656 x plus 12656 multiplied by dx. Now integrating these terms, we have UAB is equal to 1 by 2 EI into 8789 into x cube by 3 to the limit 0 to 0.75 plus 3164 into x cube by 3 minus 12656 into x square by 2 plus 12656 x with limit 0.75 to 2. Now on applying the limits, we have UAB is equal to 1 by 2 EI multiplied by 8789 into 0.75 cube by 3 plus 3164 by 3 into 2 cube minus 0.75 cube minus 12656 by 2 into 2 square minus 0.75 square plus 12656 into 2 minus 0.75. So upon solving this, we get the value of UAB as 3296.17 upon 2 EI, where we see this term is in kilonewton meter, since in the loading diagram we had load in kilonewton and distance in meter. Now let us find out the I of the beam. We know moment of inertia I of the beam is given as BD cube by 12, which is equal to B is 150 mm and depth is 25 mm. So this is equal to 1.953 into 10 to the power 5 mm to the power 4, since these dimensions were in mm. Now converting this I into meter to the power 4, we have 1.953 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter to the power 4. Also, E of the beam is given as 210 gigapascal. So it is equal to 210 into 10 to the power 9 Newton per meter square. Now converting this into kilonewton per meter square, we have this is equal to 210 into 10 to the power 6 kilonewton per meter square. So now upon substituting the value of E and I in this strain energy equation, we have strain energy in beam AB is equal to 3296.17 upon 2 into E into I, which is equal to 40.18 kilonewton meter or 40.18 kilojoule. So this is a strain energy stored in the beam AB. Thanks for watching in 5 minutes.